segment of Crystal Clear's B2B Friends with Joel Zdanoff from Zdanoff Services. If you can share a story about a client that you were able to help by being innovative in understanding what the problem was.
Well, this job we're on today, we had a call here a few years back about a broken pipe in the laundry room. It flooded the entire house. So we determined, after we obviously cleaned up the water and got all their belongings out and safely stored, that the water pipe froze because it was inside the wall. And all we did was move it 4 inches outside the wall. We put a floor drain into the laundry room in case they have an overflowing washing machine. Their pipes won't freeze again, but if they have an overflowing washing machine or something, it won't ruin their house again. And a lot of other contractors would just put the pipe back in the wall, close it up, and say we're done. But I'm thinking down the road, why go through the pain and suffering of it again? So that's why you call Zdanoff Services. You call myself and Angel, and we show up and do it right.
All right, awesome. So you heard it right here. One of Crystal Clear's B2B friends, Zdanoff Services, please call them. And when you do, make sure you say Crystal Clear sent you. All right, we'll see you next time.